Hello, Motura Nucleo Compact, 6 pins. This is what you get inside the kit. Handle, small tension handles, box with spare pins, hex key, external manipulator, universal card reader. Here you will find 2 springs and 6 spare pins. The first thing to do, get the spring, put it here, remove the cap. Here you will find a line with the cut towards, the screw. Insert, get the hex key, tighten it a bit, just a bit from one side, tighten it from the other side, then a lot. We need this stationary. Okay, so put the external manipulator, at some point this will start to tighten the pins. Now they're too tight. They must be medium. They must move. If they don't move, it's a problem. You have 4 options here on when to put the small tension handles. And that's it. It's fully assembled now. Now I will quickly try to disassemble and I will show you how to change the pin. Don't forget the spring. Okay, not good. From here you simply grab a pin and you pull it out like this. Then carefully you must insert it back in, just between the pin dividers, and you're ready. Motura Nucleo Compact, 6 pins. The decoder is already assembled. This is my lock, the black key. This is not Motura ANTIDECO Due. If you use it on Motura ANTIDECO Due, you will break it. This is Motura ANTIDECO Due. So for this lock we have an automatic version, which is the only thing that covers it. As I said, 2 is assembled, 2 turns. The first turn, I reset, I will tighten it a bit here, insert, not with a lot of force. Let's check it, okay. And this is the second turn. No damage on the lock, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching.